Hiya, so here's a really quick unboxing video of this, which is the Pioneer DJ flight case for the XDJ RX3. It arrived about 2 days ago, so just before, maybe it was Christmas Eve or the day before. So I've not had a chance to open it. I ordered it a couple of months ago. Maybe it was only 3 weeks. And it looked really nice. It's got wheels. It's all black. It looks good. So let's open it and have a look. One thing I can tell you about it is it's heavier than I thought it was going to be. It's actually really quite heavy. I don't know the weight, but you can just check it online. It'll give you the correct weight of it. Go. Looks beautiful. Just see if you can see that. I'll just check my camera angle. Yep, you can see that. That's good. Alright, so on the top here, it's got these nice butterfly case openings, butterfly clasps. Seems good. And carry handle there, carry handle here, and the same on the other side. It's also got a clasp here. It's got no clasp there. It's got wheels at this end. Looks good. I'm just filming a quick video. Oh, okay. I'll be right with you. See if I can get the top off. Obviously no. There we go. What's going on there? More to this than I thought. There we go. This is what it looks like inside. So yeah, there's no clasps along the back edge, but it does have this slide out part. For convenience of getting to your leads. Actually, no, that's the front panel, isn't it? So this is the leads covering section. I'll just bring it in a bit so you can see. I'll bring the camera in. So this is the handles. It's all nice black finish. I don't know how long it's all going to stay on there, but it's black. This is obviously intended for some kind of cushioning and securing. There's a few of those. I've honestly yet to discover what they are. But yeah, it's got, I think this is maybe Velcroed in. Yeah, just a Velcro Velcroed piece, so it's obviously specifically designed to cover the wires and so on at the back. What else would you like to see? Just some close-ups of the lid. These are the clasps on the lid. So yeah, this is just for the RX3, the new one. Obviously, let's be honest, the main selling point is that it looks cool and it's got Pioneer written on it. Sorry if you disagree with that, but it just is what it is, isn't it? People say the Swan flight cases are the best, but when I looked on the Swan website, it didn't seem that they'd actually had the right dimensions. So I don't think they'd finished designing it. Well, I don't know, I might be wrong. Anyway, I fancied this one just because it's all black and it looks good. So there we go. It looks great. Yeah, it's got these strong handles all around and good sturdy wheels. It's very well made, as far as I can see so far. So yeah, just put the top down here so you can. So that's it really. Any questions about it, anything that you would like to know, you can drop me a message, and if I've got any useful information about it, I'll tell you. I do think it is one of the first that's come across, because I ordered it before they were available. So I don't know what the waiting time will be to get one now, but yeah, it looks good. What's on the bottom? Oops. So it's got these rubber feet, which is nice. Help secure it in place if you use it as like a tabletop for it. They're not very. They seem quite hard rubber. Those, I don't know that they're the grippiest rubber feet, but I'm sure Pioneer have done their research and they've put them on for a good reason. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it looks nice. All black and chic. Okay then, well, thanks for watching, and yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. Cheers.